Last time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
Oh, Thomas must come back and start again. Reckless Tribe just took a quick lead on him. Oh, Reckless Tribe wins! Team immunity!
He at least tried, that's the only reason. I don't know who to choose. Everyone at least tried. Yeah, I think I'm going home. It might hold me out since I dropped it.
You feel pretty safe you're not getting voted off right now?
Yeah, just because I said that.
Second person voted out of Survivor. Gabe. That's 4 votes and that's enough.
11 kids. 8 challenges. 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor, Jasmine Island.
What is that? Watch it be in a tree. You'll see it's different. You'll find out. All I know is that
Is it the black one? Wow. Colorful what?
why are they looking at me?
I don't know where it is. And I don't even know what it looks like.
What are you scared for? We're all saying we thought, see, that's why we're not very smart. We opened the tiki because we heard something in there. There's nothing in there.
Yeah.
But it does open, but there's nothing in there. We thought there'd be like an immunity. And I think it's
Inside
gonna
of
trick
the
them.
immunity.
I think it's going to trick them a little bit. But I hope you win again.
Come on in, guys.
Wait, what? Oh, it's locked.
All right. Guys, say hello to the new Banshee Tribe. Gabe voted out in the last vote.
Hi guys. Hi.
All right, Rio, I'll have to take that back from your team. All right. Team immunity is what's up for grabs. Winner will be immune from the tonight's tribal council. Loser will have to vote somebody out of the game. All right, in this game, when we say go, you guys will pick one person on your team to run down and grab a set of key ring with a bunch of keys on it. Run back, and your team will have to work together to figure out which key will unlock this lock. Once you get the key, the right key, and you unlock the lock, inside that bag is a t-shirt. The t-shirt is frozen. You'll have to figure out how to get that t-shirt on one of the players. The first team that has a player wearing the t-shirt wins immunity. All right, blue team, you've got one too many players. You're going to have to decide who's going to sit out this one. All right, Jasmine, sit down. All right, both teams ready? And go.
It's on.
And Reckless Tribe wins team immunity. Nobody on this team will be voted off today.
They're gonna have to vote Jordan.
Banshee Tribe, we got nothing for you. Head back to camp. We'll see you at Tribal Council.
All right, Tribal Council.
Guys.
What? I'm making myself a salad because I have to do this. This looks
My
like a good
fingers are
leaf.
cold. I'm hungry. I didn't eat.
There hasn't been
where's
a
our
reward
rewards?
challenge yet.
I'll pay $500 for food, like I paid for my drink.
Okay, that leaf.
$500, like I did for my drink. I'm not a cheater. If it was offered by Jeff, not by you. And
Let's
1,
make a leaf
2,
pile.
3, 4.
All right, guys, this is the second tribal council for this team. You guys feeling a little down in the dumps over this one? You lost twice in a row. All right, Kinsey, you're up.
Just as a ramble. Jordan, she's a big threat.
All right, guys, I'll tally the votes. All right, if anybody has a hidden immunity idol and wants to play it, now would be the time to do so. All right, I'll read the votes. First vote, Jordan. Second vote, Jasmine. That's 1 vote Jordan, 1 vote Jasmine. Third vote, Jordan. That's 2 votes Jordan, 1 vote Jasmine. Third person voted off of Survival Jasmine Island, Jordan. Please bring me your torch. We're sorry, Jordan. The tribe has spoken.
They backdoored you, Jordan.
I backdoored myself. I like this.
Next time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
I think the last challenge was the hardest one yet.
Last one was cold.
The first thing I want everybody to do is take off your headbands. Do not need those no more. Oh, Kinsey just went down, or was that one of the brooks? One of the brooks. Oh, there's another one. We are down to 5 left, guys.